Kattuga baktugla. Diljua Jusik, look at the waves. White caps, man. The Atlantic Ocean. Look at that. Baktug. Jusiga. There you go. Mikinana, someone, man. Water is strong, powerful. That apartment building, Abu Tradido. Look at that, French doors, balcony idol, probably. Beautiful. 4 floors, I believe that has. The ventilation system, exhaust, furnace, whatever, heat pumps, those things on the top. I'll beg you that's a good more fried egg. We're you sick, man. It's windy day. We're you sick. Che spessano naso gamo beige mo besano gang. We're you sick, pasuk. No rain and no snow. Yeah. Diggly wig, man. Still, man. Digging juicing. The wind is cold. Yeah, well, I'm kicking on the white capsicle. I like looking at the water. Steady in adobe. The sippo, usually a sippo gay. Nagu sit, Nagru saw this some but a samalugia, too cloudy. Name out Nagu sit, Jamaica. Wow, she name is a hot bit of her. You barely see the sun over there. A samyalugia, it's too cloudy. But yeah, got to Mugabaktu. Check out those white caps. Digig, Ajuajusi nowadays probably way colder and windier down there. Ajusic, man, it's windy day. But I knew them in juice and I could hear it. Got school on me, someone, white caps. Look at that. Lobster season. Now, don't juggish. Get on how did you go? So this to me to be suppoon while the bird lies was all tickle. Wide angle standard. I don't know what I just did there. But yeah, check out the water. A buck to glow. Yeah, suppoon was all this while the bird busigle. I'll take video of the lobster fishermen heading out tomorrow. Early I get suppoon. No, I mean, while the bird lobster eyes like the usual it up to man. Because it's still kind of dark. But so tickle, huh? Yeah. We kid not a song, no? To get dry road, we go egg now. That's going to dog is cook. Egg in the air, it's Sunday. Sunday today.